Good morning, children. We are again continuing the chapter 3 only, pair of linear equation in two variables. Last class we have seen that the equations reducible to linear equations. So here also the same pattern we are continuing. Solve 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1. Again the second equation, 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10, where x plus y not equal to 0 and x minus y not equal to 0. Solution, we have to take down the question first. 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1. First equation, 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10. Now put 1 by x plus y equal to u, 1 by x minus y equal to v. If you take the common factors, x plus y, x minus y is same in the denominator. So we can do like that only. So what is it? Therefore, equation 1 and 2, I'll give this for 1. In equation 1 and 2. Therefore, 5u minus 2v equal to minus 1, right? What is the next? 15u plus 7v equal to 10 only. So here last time also elimination we done, method of cross multiplication we had done. Here 5 is there, 15 is there, so we can multiply with this 3 only, then we can go for easily elimination. So I am doing, this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. We are multiplying with the 3 here, right? So each term we are multiplying for purpose is making the coefficient of u is same. So 5 into 3, 15u, minus 2 into 3, 6v, minus 1 into 3, it is minus 3. 15 minus 6 and minus 3. Below I will write 15u plus 7v equal to 10. Sorry. Here these are the equations we got. So this will be our fifth equation, we can make it, or after multiplying with the 3. Therefore only I am writing, because you won't know the steps now very well, so just we are continuing. Now both are having the plus sign, same sign only. So what we should do? We should do the subtraction. So change of sign, here also minus and here it is plus, now it became minus. So 15u and minus 15u will get cancelled. Minus 6v and minus 7v, that is minus 13v. Again here also minus 13 will get. Now what is v now? v equal to minus 13 by minus 13 equal to 1. So one value we got. Now any one of the equation we can put this v equal to 1. So we'll write here, put v equal to 1 in 3 only. It's this. So 5u minus 2 equal to minus 1. So 5u equal to minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1. U equal to 1 by 5. Now we got v equal to 1 and u equal to minus 1 by 5. So we'll write here, what is our 1 by u? 1 by x plus y equal to u only. 1 by x plus y equal to u and 1 by x minus y equal to v only. So 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5. This means after cross multiplication, what I will get? X plus y equal to 5. And what about this side? It is 1 by x minus y equal to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Therefore x minus y equal to 1. Again x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1. Just add, because these are opposite sign. 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in x plus y equal to 5. So 3 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 2. So what are the values we got here? X equal to 3, then y equal to 2. So we got the solutions. So I think the steps we have understood here. In 4 examples we done based on the same criteria. We will do 2 more examples, 2 or 3, then that it will be more clear to you. Next question, solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Here also it is not in the linear form, we have to make it in the linear form by changing the suitable steps. So here solution I will write. What is the first step? We should take down the question. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Some are having doubt, means it how we are getting 2 by root x? 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y. That is why we are taking 1 by root x as a u, 1 by root y as a v only. So similarly the denominator you can see same only. So we can assume that equation 1 and 2, here put 1 by root x equal to u, 1 by root y equal to v in equation 1 and 2. Then we have, what is we have here? 2u plus 3v equal to 2. Next 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Here also we can go for any substitution method also, or elimination method also, or cross multiplication method also. So here what I am taking substitution, we are not done last 2-3 times, we had done other methods only. So we will go for what is u here. So this implies u equal to, first I will write for 2u, 2 minus 3v, which is the easiest way for you that you can choose. So I make it equation number 3 here and 4. So from 3, what is u? I will write u equal to 2 minus 3v by 2. Now this put u equal to 2 minus 3v by 2 in 4. We have 4 into 2 minus 3v by 2 minus 9v equal to minus 1. So I can cancel here with the 2. So here 2 multiply 4 minus 6v minus 9v equal to minus 1. 4 I am taking to this side, so minus 1 minus 4 only. Minus 6 minus 9, it is minus 15v. So v equal to minus 5 divided by minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. So we got as b equal to 1 by 3. Now what is the next? We should find what is u. So therefore u equal to 2 minus 3v by 2, that is 2 minus 3 into 1 by 3 by 2. 3 will get cancelled. So 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So u equal to 1 by 2. Whenever you are getting an answer, I told already that we should put it in a box. So here answers are correct, they will not go in detail. If it is wrong only, everybody will checking time will go in detail. So v equal to 1 by 3, u equal to, it's clearly you are highlighting the answers. Now still it is not completed. So what we should find out, x and y only. So what is our u? Therefore 1 by root x equal to u equal to 1 by 2, right? Similarly 1 by root y equal to v equal to 1 by 3. So from this what we can write, root x equal to 2, cross multiply 2 equal to root x. So root we don't want, we want without root only. So squaring on both the side, this will be x and this will be 2 square. So x equal to 4. Similarly root y equal to 3 only. Again squaring, for removing the root we have to square on both the sides. So here it will be 3 square, that will be 9. So what are the values for x and y? X equal to 4 and y equal to 9. So any method you can apply. Here we have applied a substitution method, even though elimination is easy here. So we have applied a substitution because you need practice for each and every method. So you must continue in that way. So what are the answers for this question? X equal to 4, y equal to 9. Next question. Solve 37x plus 41y equal to 70 and 41x plus 37y equal to 86. So what you can observe here, if you check the question, you can see that coefficient of x and y are interchanged in the second question, right? 37x was there, the second equation it is y with the 37y. 41y is there in the first equation, but 41 is changed to x here. So such question also you can use the same method, substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method, but I'll suggest one more method is there that I'll show here now. Solution. Once again I will take down the question. 37x plus 41y equal to 70. 41x plus 37y equal to 86. So we will add this first equation and the second equation. I am adding now. So what is 37 plus 41? It is equal to 78x. Similarly, same coefficients here, 78y, it is equal to 156. So 78 is common here. So divide with the 78, what will get x plus y equal to 2. That is our third equation. What we have done, if the coefficients are interchanged, the first step is that we are adding the equations. Now the second part. Once again I will take down 37x plus 41y equal to 70 and 41x plus 37y equal to 86. This time equation 1 and 2 only I am doing the subtraction. So change your sign. Right. So 37 minus 41, it is minus 4x minus 4y, sorry, plus 4y. Plus 41 is here, and 70 minus 86, minus 86 is there, so minus 16. So now I am dividing with the minus 4 only. So dividing with the minus 4, here what happens, x, again minus y, it is equal to 4. We are dividing with the minus 4. Minus 16 by minus 4, it is 4 only. Now we got equation number 4. So equation number 3, by addition we got x plus y equal to 2. Then cancel the common terms here also. By subtraction we got x minus y equal to 4. So once again I will take down what is the third equation and the fourth equations. So x plus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to 4. Now you have take down equation 3 and equation 4. Just add. So what will happen? Plus y and minus will get cancelled. Next 2x equal to 6. So what is x? X equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in 3. Circle it. That means equation 3. Therefore 3 plus y equal to 2. Therefore, y equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. So, we got the value x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1. This is also one of the important questions we can see in the question papers. Next pattern, solve 8v minus 3u equal to 5uv, 6v minus 5u equal to minus 2uv. So here what happens, here linear equation is there like left side, but here uv came, so it's not a linear equation. Such type of the questions what we should do, listen. Solution, I have to write one more time, 8v minus 3u equal to 5uv. 6v minus 5u equal to minus 2uv. So the equation 1 and equation 2. Now both the equations we are dividing by uv. What we should do? Both equations divide by uv. See, uv is here, so that uv are taken, we are dividing both the equations like this. Now let us see 8v divided by uv, right? Minus 3u divided by uv equal to 5uv divided by uv. So here 8v divided by uv, so v will get cancelled, so it is 8 by u. Next, minus 3 by v, which is cancelled, the u are cancelled. Now here what happens, uv by uv will get cancelled. So this is our third equation. Similarly, we are dividing the second equation. 6v minus 5u equal to minus 2uv. Again we are dividing with which one? uv. Here also by uv, here also by uv. So here v will get cancelled, here u will get cancelled, here uv will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 6 by u minus 5 by v equal to minus 2. Right? 6 by u minus 5 by v equal to minus 2. So what is the next number for us? Equation number 3. Now see, this is a linear equation, not a linear equation, but we can reduce to linear equation by changing 1 by u as x, 1 by v as a y. Previously we are getting x and y in the denominator. Now we got u and v in the denominator. That is only the change. Same steps only. So what we should do? Put 1 by u equal to x. Any other variable also you can take. There is no problem. 1 by v equal to y in equation 3 and 4. What we'll have now? So 8x minus 3y equal to 5. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 2. So again I'll write in the standard form. 8x minus 3y minus 5y equal to 0. 6x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. We'll go for cross multiplication method now. So what is the step? Coefficient of y we should start. So minus 3 minus 5, constant, minus 5 and plus 2, then 8 and 6, again ending with the y coefficient minus 3 and 5 only. So here x, y, 1. Now we are in x and y only. Now x divided by, I should multiply first here, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus sign. Minus 5 into minus plus 25, so here minus 25 only. Y divided by, from here sign, minus 5 into 6 minus 30. By formula 1 minus sign is there, so 2 into 3 is there, so it is 6 only. See here 8 into 2 only, 16, right? Minus 5 into 6 minus 30. By formula 1 minus, and here 2 into 8 it is, so 16 only I should write. Okay. Next 1 divided by minus 40. By formula 1 minus, 6 into 3, 6 into minus 3 minus 18, so it will be minus 18. I'll write here. So what is the answer now? X divided by minus 31, y divided by minus 46, and 1 divided by this 40 plus 8. So here minus 40 plus 18, that is minus 22. Okay. So next, what is the first and third ratio we will take, that is x divided by minus 31 equal to minus 1 divided by minus 22. Similarly, y by minus 46 equal to 1 divided by minus 22. So x and y we can calculate. Still the question is not completed because the question is given in terms of u and v. So what is x now? So minus 31 divided by minus 22. That means 31 by 22 only, we are cancelling the sign. Next, what is y now? Y equal to minus 46 by minus 22. We can cancel with the 2 here. So it is 23 by 11, because minus minus it is plus, so 23 by 11. Now we can go for what is u and v for us. We have chosen as x equal to 1 by u. That means x implies 31 by 22 equal to 1 by u. Cross multiply we can take, otherwise reciprocal we can take. So implies 31u equal to 22 or u equal to 22 by 31. What is the next part? We should go for here. What is y for us? 1 by v equal to y. That means it is equal to 23 by 11. It is v only, y. Okay, that means 1 by v equal to 23 by 11 or 11v equal to 23. What is v now? 23 by 11. So we got the two answers. So what is u for us? U equal to 22 by 31 and v equal to 11 by 23. So with this today's video I am winding up. Thank you.